takes an enormous amount of time. So what we're literally looking for here is to see to what extent AI can not so much take over, but assist the human.
So we have a bunch of pictures of a bunch of individuals, like more than 11,000 individuals. So we are extracting each one of them and building a workflow in the computer. So in the future it won't be necessary for a person to measure elytral length, elytral width. It will save a lot of time and possibly give more quality data.
One of the really amazing things that can happen in these kinds of workshops, where we bring people together from lots of different backgrounds and skills, perspective, experience, that it can just kind of gel. I feel like that really happened here. We've had some really interesting results. In this case, the BioClip model didn't have a whole lot of training examples, right? So suggesting that there's actually room for improvement simply by assembling more training images and then fine-tuning the models. Well, I hope we can do more of these, because I think they have a number of benefits across the spectrum, both on the scientific side as well as on the technical side, also building community. All right.
Cool.